If you're looking to earn yield on your staked ETH, Shade Protocol is a spicy place to make that happen. If you're an Ethereum or L2 native, thanks to MetaMask integration, you now have easy access to private DeFi. Once your staked ETH is on Shade, your balances, transactions, swaps, and liquidation points are totally private, not to mention the joy of zero front running. And at the time of this video, the most popular options for wrap staked ETH on Shade are to use that staked ETH to mint Silk. There's also a couple LP pools. You can LP staked ETH with ETH or with Silk. In this video, we'll guide you through exactly how to get some privacy for your staked ETH and take advantage of these yield opportunities. Step one is to get staked ETH into your MetaMask wallet. You can acquire this asset on a variety of exchanges. Step two, bridge your wrapped staked ETH onto Shade. So if you're coming from Arbitrum and you have wrapped staked ETH from Axelar, you can use satellite.money to bridge from Arbitrum to Axelar, and then use Shade Bridge for Axelar to Secret Network. If you have wrapped stake ETH on Ethereum, you can use the Shade Bridge directly. So from Ethereum to Secret Network. And the beautiful thing about this is you acquire gas and create a viewing key in one step. So gasless entry. And note that for both of these bridging routes, your wrapped staked ETH native will be received as wrapped staked ETH.AXL from Axelar on either Secret Network or Axelar. Step three is enjoy private DeFi. You're here, your assets are here. So let's look at some of these options. Option number one, you could use your wrapped stake ETH to mint Silk. Silk is a different kind of stable. It's the world's first private stablecoin pegged to a basket of assets, currencies, and commodities. If you want to learn more about it and its unique value proposition, see the links in the description. Option number two is LP that wrapped stake ETH with ETH or with Silk in the pools that are available. If you made it to the end of the video here, you already know that the future of money is on chain. That's why you're holding these assets. And congrats on being the kind of person who also understands that we can't bring our financial life on chain without privacy. Shade is unstoppable private finance, and now you get to be a part of it.